Good morning, children. Today I am going to give a small recap for justification, only justification. Now see, I have written clearly on the board. Just see, follow my instruction. Root 9.2, right? I am going to give only the justification. Now you know, first we need to draw a line AB 9.2 centimeter. Take 1 centimeter. Then AC will be 10.2 centimeter. See, AC is equal to 10.2 centimeter. That is, I have written in the bracket 9.2 plus 1. Now AB is 9.2 centimeter. AB is equal to 9.2 centimeter. Now from the figure, OA, OD, OC are all equal because radius. See, we know O is a center. OA, OD, OC are equal because O is a center. So we can, in a circle, radius are all equal. So here OA is equal to OD is equal to OC. So this are equal. Now just see, OA is radius, right? Now OA is equal to half of AC because we know AC value. See, we took AB is equal to 9.2, BC is equal to 1 centimeter, AB plus BC is equal to 10.2. So if I want OA, I can divide AC by 2 because it's half, right? That's why I have written here OA is equal to half of AC, half of 10.2, which is nothing but 5.1 centimeter. OA is equal to 5.1 centimeter, right? Now we'll take OBA triangle because by construction this is 90 degree. You all know, right? Since B is 90 degree, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. OD squared is an hypotenuse. OD squared is equal to OB squared plus BD squared. See, I have written here OB squared is equal to OB squared plus BD squared. Here I want OB. Where is OB? See, here is OB, right? I know AB is 9.2, AC is 10.2, right? Now here I have found OA is equal to 5.1. OA, OC are equal. So if I want to find out OB, I can subtract OC minus BC. BC is nothing but 1 centimeter, right? So OC is nothing but radius. Already we found radius is equal to 5.1. So if I want to find out OB, see, OB is equal to 5.1 minus 1, 4.1, right? Now apply the values in the Pythagoras statement. See, OD squared. Okay, I have explained this line, that is BD is equal to your root 9.2 value, right? So we need to find out BD squared. See, here BD squared. So keep the BD squared here. Move OD to OB squared to the right, left hand side. See, already we found OD 5.1, OB 4.1. If I move this side, it will become minus. There are two ways. You can use identity. Here I have used identity. In 8th standard itself, you know, A squared minus B squared, which is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. So I have applied over here. Or else 5.1 the whole square, 4.1 the whole square, then subtract it. It will be a lengthy way. You can use identity. It will easy for you. So if you apply identity, you will get 9.2, right? But see, BD squared is equal to 9.2. I want only BD, which means you are going to squaring on both sides. So square root will come. So BD is equal to root 9.2, which we are supposed to find out. Understood, children?